Hey, beautiful people. Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA, back with another hair care episode for you guys who are out there trying to take better care of your hair. This episode is going to be geared all towards why are you losing your hair? So we're going to talk about 5 causes of hair loss and how to fix these actual problems if this is something that you are dealing with. Now let's just jump right into the first one. Number 1, scalp issues. I say this all the time in most of my hair care videos where we talk about scalp care. If you have a bad scalp, you cannot expect to have good hair. Scalp issues include dandruff, dermatitis. Those of you who literally allow your protective yet not so protective styles to stay in your hair for umpteen thousand months and then expect that scalp to be oh so healthy, but you're not even cleansing your scalp properly. You're not even giving your scalp exactly what it needs to be able to thrive and allow that hair to grow. So what does that cause in turn? Hair loss. So scalp care is definitely important. It's definitely something that you need to home in on before you even think of applying anything else to that hair. Worry about that scalp. So that leads to number 2, which is the second cause of hair loss. Protective styles that are done incorrectly. If you're one of those people where you have those protective styles, those 40-inch bust downs, as we say in my house, you wear a lot of wigs, you traditionally wear a lot of braids, twists, things that cover up your natural or relaxed hair, yet you expect that hair to not have issues with or hair growth or even retention. Come on, you guys. Protective styles that are done incorrectly are really probably one of the biggest causes of hair loss in the world today, especially within the ethnic realm. Some of you get these tight braids. Some of you put these wigs on. You get these wigs installed by stylists who literally just jumped off the porch yesterday, and you're expecting them to do this properly and give you $1 million wig, but you only paid them $45. While price really isn't everything, that really sets you apart from a lot of things that can potentially happen. So for those of you that are getting those protective styles, you're getting those super tight braids, you're getting those wigs installed where they're putting the baby hair. How is it that they are creating baby hair but burning out the baby hair that you already have? Do I need to say this again? Protective styles that are done correctly cause less damage than the protective styles that are done incorrectly. And when I say incorrectly, meaning you want this protective style to last 13,000 years and you're balling on a budget, which is A-okay. But at the same time, a protective style is really protecting nothing but protecting your hair from you. So are protective styles really going to be the way to go? Not necessarily. But I want you guys to watch this video all the way to the end because I am going to give you ways that you can actually protect your hair and also save your hair if you're one of those people that are in the realm of hair loss. But that also leads me to reminding you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because these different series are coming. I'm putting these out for the free 99. Hello. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button because you really stumbled upon one of the most unconventional but professionally literally problem solving channels on YouTube, specifically in the hair care realm. So if you haven't hit the subscribe button, stop what you're doing, pause this video, go ahead, hit subscribe, and then come on back. So that leads me to number 3. The third reason why you could be potentially losing your hair: nutritional deficiencies. Now, I know those 2 words are extremely large, so let me break them down. Nutritional deficiencies, meaning you are low in the 3 main areas that helps the hair to thrive: iron, zinc, biotin. Those 3 things is what allows the hair to thrive. Now, if you notice, iron and zinc are things that are within, right? So if you are anemic or you have an iron deficiency, a zinc deficiency, biotin is one of the B's in the B vitamins. So that's a B7, right? Which is the reason why we have our collection titled B7. It's a biotin collection. Shout out to the biotin collection, by the way, because it's literally changing the hair care game. Shameless plug. Anyway, biotin, which is one of the B vitamins. Zinc, of course, we know zinc is a mineral. Iron, you guys know if you're anemic, please don't expect you to have an amazing hair. Iron deficiency is probably the biggest one on this list. Why? Because the iron controls everything. Number 1, the iron is the blood. So if you are dealing with an anemia where you have iron deficiencies, you're low in iron all the time, don't wonder why your hair is dry and brittle. Don't wonder why you're losing your hair. Don't wonder why your hair care game is literally at obsolete zero, zilch, nothing. Because guess what? Iron is a big part of this. Does that mean for you to run to Nature's Table and take as many iron vitamins as you can? No. Right? Does that mean for you to go and get 15,000 IUDs of biotin? No. Or 15,000 milligrams of biotin? No. Does that mean for you to run and get the highest level of zinc that you can? No. Because the body is only going to absorb what so much. But topically, there are products that are high in iron. There are products that are high in zinc. There are products that are high in biotin, and you can get them all wrapped into one place. So like I said, I'm going to talk about all of these at the end of the video. Keep watching. Number 4, and this one is the silent killer, stress. We all have stress. I have stress. You have stress. We have stress. She has stress. There is no nationality that is excluded from the word stress. Stress can be physical. It can also be emotional. Okay. And when I say physical and emotional, physically, you can suffer from stress. Emotionally, which is internally in the brain, in the body, you can also struggle from stress. The littlest things stress us, and we are now in a current time where financially everybody is stressed. Emotionally, everybody's stressed. Physically, everybody's stressed because we're stretching ourselves so thin. But where is the one place that the body shows stress the most? Outside of the skin and the eyes, the hair. So don't wonder why, if you are in a high stress environment, if you're dealing with something that is literally just weighing you down every single day, don't wonder why you are definitely having a problem with hair loss right now. Now, of course, there is nothing that can physically fix stress outside of you. You have to work on that stress. And things that you can do to work on that stress, as I said, you can exercise, eat better, have self-care days. Your wash day, for those of you that don't know, is a self-care day. Wash day is a self-care day. That is a day for you to be able to pamper yourself, giving yourself what you need, giving your body time to recover, recuperate, giving your mind time to be at ease. That is a stress reliever. Exercise, another great stress reliever. And also getting rid of the person or the thing that is causing you stress. Hint, hint. Hello. I'm not the pot cussing the kettle because mine is the same color as yours. We all know what that means. Stay with me here. All right. But stress definitely can be a super killer of the hair. All right. And if you are not lowering or lessening your stress levels, don't wonder why you and your hair is suffering right now. That leads me to number 5. And number 5 really is more for my mature women, but this is now starting to attack our younger women. Hormonal imbalance. Now, when I say my more mature women, we're talking about things like menopause, thyroid disease, pregnancy, which is why I said it's not excluded from the younger society. People look at hormonal problems and think that that means that it's just menopause. No, no, no. It is also any type of autoimmune situation that is hormonal. But for those of you who might be like me, where you see this line right here, I don't have a thyroid any longer because I had a thyroid imbalance many years ago. That still affects me to this day. But the great thing is Elite Hair Care Products has kept my hair as healthy as absolutely possible. Hence the reason why your girl is literally sitting here with the healthiest hair that I've ever had in my entire life. And I say this every single time. Why? Because it's the truth. But hormonal imbalance is also a big part of why you could be losing your hair. Now, if you are one of those people who are dealing with menopause, there are a lot of natural remedies out there that you can definitely utilize. Evening primrose oil, starting to take vitamins, minerals. Talk to your doctor. Number 1, talk to your doctor and say, hey, listen, I'm losing my hair and I'm also dealing with menopause. Can you help me to be in the right direction? I'm also a firm believer that holistic medicine works. So definitely if you have a holistic doctor in your area and you can afford to go and have a visit with them, by all means do so. A lot of you don't even know if you have a hormonal imbalance. Some of you don't even go to your doctor. Let me get in the microphone. Some of you don't even go to your doctor and check out your body. So if that is you, I am talking to you. Get close. Find yourself a doctor. Get your levels checked. There is things that womanly things that we need to check every single year. Do not listen to these doctors telling you that you can get a pap smear every 5 years. Baby, no. Let's go back to the old school days when we used to get a pap smear every single year. What has changed is you getting a physical every single year, getting your levels checked, getting your iron checked, getting all of your different parts of your body, your pressure, allergy tests. A lot of you are dealing with issues of hair loss because you have allergies to a lot of the things that you're eating, and you're not even getting that checked. You guys know that Crystal is here to give you the truth and only the truth. I will not plead the fifth. You know what I'm saying? And if you're not doing it, please stop what you're doing right now. Hit the subscribe button on this video first, and then go and make an appointment to get your annual checkup. And ask your doctor to also get your annual labs. Some of you don't even know your white and red blood cell counts. That is the biggest part of hair growth and hair loss. A lot of things that you're dealing with right now can be fixed very quickly if you just be proactive. Prevention is always better than cure. So that's going to lead me to how are we going to fix some of these things? Well, number one, you guys know that I'm not a doctor, so I cannot fix your hormonal imbalance, but you can by going and being proactive and getting a doctor's appointment. So that's the first fix. Number two, I can't de-stress you, but I can definitely give you pointers of how to de-stress. Exercise. Have a day that is geared towards just you. One day a month, whether it be a Sunday, a Saturday, one of your days off needs to be a self-care day. That needs to be the day that you are shampooing that hair with your Elite Hair Care products. We'll discuss which ones are for what in just a moment. Getting your nails done, getting your toes done, getting a massage. Okay, a lot of freelance massage techs out there for $30, $40, $50. Like, you can afford to spend $100 on yourself a month. There is no absolute reason why any bill should take over your self-care. And if that is the case, then you need to find something that you can put away to make sure that you're caring for yourself. Okay, let's go into the nutritional deficiencies. A lot of you know that Elite Hair Care has always had our hair, skin, and nail vitamins. Those are actually coming back. Let me say that now. But in the meantime, I definitely recommend you get a hair, skin, and nail vitamin. I don't recommend pure biotin because biotin is only one piece of the problem. You need your antioxidants, you need your iron, you need your zinc, you need your B7, which is your biotin, your B12. There's so many other nutritional items that you need. Vitamin E, vitamin LKZ2447. I don't care. You need to go and make sure that you're getting these things. Folic acid. That also says that if you can't get a hold of an Elite Hair Care, hair, skin, and nail vitamin, go ahead and grab you some pregnancy vitamins. Okay? Are awesome for people who are experiencing hair loss. Of course, always check with your physician before you start any type of nutritional change, whether you're affecting in the body or externally. You guys know I'm not a doctor, but at the same time, your girl knows what she knows. I can't drop this mic, but I want to drop the mic. Okay? Protective styles, the easiest fix for that is whenever you have your protective styles, make sure that you are caring for your hair under your protective styles. How? You can use our Goddess Hair Repair Serum. The Goddess Hair Repair Serum is an oil-based serum. It has that biotin, it has that niacin, it has zinc, garlic oil, onion oil. It has all of the nutritional needs of the scalp in one small bottle. Our Goddess Hair Repair Serum is our staple product. It has literally changed the game for over, at this point, 10,000 men and women in the world. And I can wholeheartedly say how good the Goddess Hair Repair Serum is because it is the literal builder of Elite Hair Care USA. That is my hero product. That is the product that I wholeheartedly sit and literally picked each individual ingredient because I knew what the world was missing. And right now, if you're watching this video, I know you're missing it too. So go and get you a bottle of our Goddess Hair Repair Serum. It is going to change your hair loss game in its entirety. Make sure that you are being proactive. If you wear protective styles, you still need to protect the hair under it. Okay? Protective styles are doing nothing more than protecting your hair from you. So you need to be proactive now and take better care of your hair under it. Get you some Goddess Hair Repair Serum. If you are wearing a weave and you don't want it to have that oil base and you really need to start caring for it now, no problem. We have our water-based serums. You can use our B7, which is our biotin serum. That is a water-based biotin hair strengthening serum that is for the scalp. We're talking about scalp care for my people who like to wear protective styles. right? Because your hair is covered, but your scalp is still accessible. So there's no real reason why you shouldn't be taking good care of it. And remember, hair growth and hair health starts from where? The scalp. For those of you that need to get that zinc and you really just don't know where and how outside of just taking your vitamins, topically, we have our Soothe and Balance pre-poo/pre-treatment. That is infused high with zinc. That zinc is going to change the game. If you're dealing with any form of autoimmune issues, such as thyroid disease, high blood pressure, diabetes, lupus, your biggest thing is zinc. Zinc helps all of those autoimmune issues. So our Soothe and Balance is powered by zinc on purpose. Why? Because zinc, number one, helps with scalp issues, which was the first reason on our list today. So zinc is definitely going to help to strengthen that scalp and that hair follicle. It's also going to help to drive in that nutrient. Zinc is a very hard mineral, okay? It's a very strong mineral as well, right? So we talked about the hair, skin, and nail vitamins, the Goddess Hair Repair Serum, the B7 Serum, the Soothe and Balance. And of course, for those of you that don't know what shampoo or conditioner to use, if you're dealing with a nutritional deficiency of sort, or if you're just dealing with weak hair, go ahead and get you some of our biotin collection. That's our B7 collection. That is the biotin shampoo, conditioner, mask, serum, leave-in. We have that whole collection tailored towards strengthening the hair and also facilitating keeping that scalp nice and healthy. So I hope you guys got all the good information from this video. We're definitely going to be tackling a lot of these issues that you guys have been sending to me left and right. And of course, my job is to dissect them and bring you all of the solutions that I can, no matter which direction. And of course, for the free 99. Now, if you're new here, again, please don't be a window shopper. Hit the subscribe button, share this video with your friends and family, and tell them that they need to jump on to the Elite Hair Care Pro team because you're now a pro watching this video and you need to get into this hair care game. This is a new year. We're in 2025. Come on, people. Okay? Okay. It's going to be out, you guys, but don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Comment down below and tell me which one of these 5 issues were you dealing with? Or do you even know what is wrong with your hair? If you do, comment down below and tell me what you think your problem is and which one of our Elite Hair Care products you're using to help to combat that problem. If not, and you just don't even know where to start, you too can comment down below and I'll do my best to help you. But to make it even easier, we actually have a hair care quiz on our elitehaircare.com website where it points you in the direction of the right products for your situation. So jump onto elitehaircareusa.com, go and take that hair care quiz, and it is going to point you in the direction of what products you definitely need and what products are going to be vital in your hair care game. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and of course, I'll see you guys in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.